And then Jay Yang is saying, can you explain the main real world difference between having a master's degree in accounting and a master's in finance? I'm thinking about getting a master's degree. Yeah. So I'll explain the difference between finance and accounting. So accounting is like a science. Okay, it's backwards looking. You have to create these financial statements and be perfect, right? They can't be wrong. They have to be perfect. It's a science. Finance is like an art because you're creating what you think the financial statements will look like in the future. And you have to be comfortable with uncertainty, like you have a crystal ball. And just know that your numbers will never be right, but directionally, they might be right. And so that's why finance people, when they value companies, they usually use a couple different valuation methodologies to come up with a target price, like discounted cash flow, price to earnings, price to revenue. Because if they're wrong, and wrong they are quite often, if one of these three methodologies is way off, if you take an average of all three target price methodologies, you'll minimize the margin of error by quite a bit. So the bottom line is finance is an art and accounting is a science. Are you an artist or a scientist?